McLaren Special Operations has rebuilt the M6 GT, the road-going supercar originally envisioned by Bruce McLaren in the late 1960s. The project follows the original concept after the program ended following Bruce McLaren's death, with only a handful of prototypes ever completed. The reconstruction began with the chassis from an M6A race car and uses original body molds discovered in the United Kingdom, along with archived reference materials. The car also combines restored original parts with newly manufactured components to remain faithful to the original design. McLaren found that the original molds had been modified during the period, reflecting design changes made before the project was canceled. The completed M6 GT will be displayed at the Goodwood Festival of Speed this weekend.